In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Asana. We'll walk through logging in, opening your project, finding the right task, and assigning it to the right person. This is perfect if you're new to Asana or just need a quick refresher on where to click and what to look for. Before we begin, make sure you already have access to the correct Asana workspace and project so everything you see matches up on your screen. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is one of the quickest ways to get in, and it keeps your credentials handled securely by Google. If you use another sign-in method in your organization, that's fine too. But for this tutorial, we're using Google. When the Google prompt appears, select the account associated with your Asana workspace. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, double-check that you're entering the one where your project lives. Once you're in Asana, navigate to your project. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar under Recent Projects or Favorites, or you can search for it by name. Click the project to open it. Your project may be in List View or Board View. Assigning tasks works similarly in either, but we'll focus on the List View since it shows columns clearly. Find the task you want to assign. If your project has a lot of tasks, use the search at the top or filter tools to quickly narrow it down. In the task row, look for the Asana column. If the task isn't assigned yet, the field will usually show unassigned. Click directly in that Asana field to activate the selector. A menu will appear where you can search by name or email. Type a few letters to pull up the right teammate, then click their name or email to assign the task to them. Asana allows one assignee per task, which helps keep ownership clear. As soon as you select the person, the assignment will update instantly. They'll receive a notification and the task will appear in their My Tasks list, making it much easier for them to track and prioritize. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may not be a member of the project or workspace yet. In that case, reach out to your admin or project owner to ensure they're added. Finally, confirm that the assignee's name now appears in the task's assignee column. That's it, your task is assigned and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep exploring Asana's task details to add context like descriptions, due dates, and attachments to set your assignee up for success.